How to pause Tinder account? Welcome to Tech It Simple. I'm back with another quick and easy tutorial video on how to pause your Tinder account, a useful feature if you need a break from Tinder. Open your Tinder application on your mobile device and click on the human icon in the right corner below to access your profile. Once in your profile space, click on the settings icon at the top right corner. This will lead you to the settings options. Scroll down until you reach the end where you will find the delete account option. Click on delete account, and you will be presented with two choices: pause my account and delete my account. Choosing pause my account allows you to temporarily deactivate your account, making it invisible to others. This is a great option if you want to take a break from Tinder without permanently removing your profile. Your account won't be shown to other users during this pause. If and when you decide to return to Tinder, you can easily resume activity. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications on more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.